こんにちは、皆さん。Chapter 2 Location Words Page 42。今日はロケーションワードのセンテンスパターンを教えます。Okay, so you're going to learn how to put words together using the sentence pattern. Open page 42. 42ページを開けてください。Okay, so in order to do these page 42 and 43 exercises, you need to know basic sentence pattern information. To describe where things or where people are, there are two sentence patterns. There are actually two verbs, depending upon you're talking about things, items, or people or animals. います、あります。Both mean to exist or to be. If you're talking about location of people or animals, you use います。This is a sentence pattern. Person or animal は or が reference word の location word にいます。So in English, this is the meaning. There is person or animal in a certain place, or person or animal is at a certain place. Example is 僕の猫は僕の隣にいます。僕の猫は僕の隣にいます。Just like the picture shown. Okay, no, recently I found out that it is like d in Chinese. So if you know Chinese language already, you can just think it in Chinese and then the word order is exactly the same in Japanese. Okay, so pretty easy. 僕の猫は僕の隣にいます meaning my cat is next to me. My cat is next to me. If you use が instead of は English meaning is slightly different. 猫が僕の隣にいます。猫が僕の隣にいます。Meaning there is a cat next to me. So cat hasn't been mentioned previously, so it's a first time that you notice this cat. Then you use が instead of は。は you use when we've been already talking about the subject. Okay, so that's the fine difference between は and then が。The second pattern or second verb is あります。When you are talking about inanimate object where the objects are, then you use あります。Object は or が reference word の location word にあります。There is an object in place or object is at a certain place. Example 学校は公園の横にあります。学校は公園の横にあります。The school is next to the park. The school is next to the park. Okay, if you use が instead of は、学校が公園の横にあります。学校が公園の横にあります。Means there is a school next to the park. Just like the previous slide you saw, the difference between は and が exactly the same. は if you use は if the subject has been mentioned previously, you use が if the subject is mentioned for the first time. いいですか？終わりです。This is the end of explanation for page 42 and 43. If you have any questions, please ask the teacher. 頑張ってください。